A dangerous shortcut plagues the roofing industry: the shingle swap. Contractors strip off the top layer and slap new asphalt down as fast as possible. Nailing down a fresh layer of shingles over an old foundation hides serious problems. Trapped moisture, rotting plywood, and blocked attic ventilation remain completely unaddressed beneath the surface. A professional roof replacement requires a full system installation. We break this down into 7 distinct operational phases. By mastering these 7 steps, you protect your property from a chaotic installation day and prevent expensive structural failures down the line. Step 1 is a comprehensive inspection. A reliable contractor investigates hidden vulnerabilities. They check for compromised flashing around your chimney and look for leak stains along your attic rafters. Never accept a vague quote that simply says "new roof." This mock-up shows what a proper, itemized estimate looks like. Notice how it clearly defines the exact costs for decking repairs and debris cleanup. Step number 2 is choosing your materials. The product you select dictates how well your home defends against severe Tennessee weather over the next 20 to 30 years. This split screen compares the 3 primary options. On the left, standard 3-tab asphalt offers an economical baseline. In the middle, architectural shingles provide a thicker, layered design for higher wind resistance. On the right, standing seam metal roofing delivers maximum longevity and a sleek aesthetic. Securing a precise estimate and matching your material to the local climate forms the essential blueprint. You complete this before a single nail is ever pulled. Step 3 involves preparing your home. Installation day creates intense noise and heavy vibration throughout the property. You need to take proactive steps before the crew arrives. This graphic checklist outlines your 4 main priorities. First, move your vehicles out of the driveway. Second, remove fragile decor from your walls. Third, cover exposed items stored in the attic. And fourth, secure your pets in a quiet interior room. Step 4 is the tear-off and decking inspection. This is the loudest and messiest phase of the project, where the old materials are stripped away entirely to expose the home's bare structural skeleton. With the old layers gone, the crew assesses the bare wood for soft spots, water stains, and delamination. This comparison shows exactly what we look for: a clean, structurally sound OSB roof deck on the left compared to dark, warped, and water-damaged wood on the right. There is a strict rule in professional roofing: you never install new materials over compromised wood. Fastening new shingles into rotting decking weakens their holding power and guarantees the entire system will fail prematurely. Uncovering and immediately replacing this hidden structural damage provides the stable, solid foundation required for a long-lasting roof assembly. Step 5 is the complete system installation. The true waterproofing power of a roof relies entirely on the invisible layers beneath the shingles. This 3D diagram shows a bare wood roof deck ready for those critical components. First, a dark synthetic underlayment rolls out cleanly over the bare wood. This creates a vital secondary barrier to block wind-driven rain from reaching the decking. Next, metal drip hedges lock onto the lower eaves. This forces water directly into the gutter system, keeping it away from the home's vulnerable wood fascia. Then, custom metal flashing is installed around highly vulnerable intersection points. Complex flashing wraps securely around the base of chimneys and lines the roof valleys to prevent water intrusion. Step 6 is surface installation. With the foundation fully prepped, neat rows of architectural shingles or metal panels are locked into place over the underlayment and flashing. The mechanics of this step require absolute precision. Roofers must hit the exact nailing zones and maintain strict horizontal alignment to ensure the roof achieves its maximum wind resistance rating. The final element of the system is attic exhaust ventilation. A raised ridge vent is installed at the peak, allowing trapped heat and moisture to safely escape upward. Every single invisible layer and surface component must work together. That unified, weather-tight assembly is what gives a roof its maximum lifespan. Step 7 is the cleanup and final walkthrough. A professional project remains incomplete until your property is safely restored to its original condition. Crews execute a rigorous debris removal protocol. They make multiple passes across your driveway and lawn using heavy-duty magnetic sweepers to capture hidden roofing nails. During the final walkthrough, you visually confirm the completed work. You inspect the hidden decking repairs and secure your official warranty documentation. Meticulous site cleanup and transparent documented warranties definitively separate standard contractors from true roofing professionals. A legitimate roof replacement manages everything from bare wood rot to balanced attic ventilation. Surface-level aesthetics are secondary to serious structural integrity. Avoid rushed contractors who prioritize speed and cheap shingle swaps over comprehensive system engineering. Demand a complete, weather-tight roofing system explicitly built to withstand Murfreesboro's toughest storm seasons. Click the link in the description or call Trusted Roofing Murfreesboro today to schedule your comprehensive inspection and receive a fully itemized professional estimate.